In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate contacts with Hubspot. Managing contacts efficiently can be a game changer for your CRM process, and removing duplicates is a crucial part of this. Start by navigating to the Hubspot website on your preferred browser. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Login button. If you have a Google account associated with HubSpot, you can simply click on Sign in with Google and select the relevant account to proceed. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Marketplace. Click on that to proceed. In the Marketplace, you'll want to locate the Apps section. Click on that and you'll find a search bar. Type in Qualify in this search section. You will soon see an option for Qualify, Merge, and Deduplicate. Click on this option to proceed. From here, click on the Install App button. This step will prompt you to connect the Qualify app to your HubSpot account. So follow the ensuing instructions to complete this setup. With the app now installed, return to the Marketplace tab at the top of the HubSpot dashboard. Once here, find the Connected Apps link and click on it. You are now inside your hub of connected applications. Your next step is to click on the Apps tab. Then click on Qualify, Merge, and Deduplicate. This will take you to the configuration area of the app. Within this configuration area, click on the General Settings tab. Here, you'll want to make use of the Edit Duplicate Rules option. This is where you will set up the rules that specifically pertain to deduplicating your contacts. To further define these rules, click on Create Rule. You'll then need to name this new rule, something specific that indicates its purpose. After naming your rule, click on Add Filter. This filter will let you configure the specific parameters that will guide the deduplication process. Carefully select the filter criteria that align with how you want duplicates to be identified within your contacts. Now, you've arrived at the final step. Hit the Save Rule button. Clicking this will ensure that your deduplication settings are preserved and active. Voila! You've successfully set up the tools necessary to manage duplicate contacts in HubSpot using Qualify. By following these steps, you'll keep your contact list clean, efficient, and up-to-date, making your CRM efforts all the more effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.